Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 9C and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move here to the left to this button with settings. When we tap on this, we can open the advanced camera settings. Here at the second position we have scan QR codes option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. And of course I suggest you to keep this turned on, because this is the easiest way to scan QR codes at this device. Now you can just scan them by putting them inside the camera, and you don't need any other app to do it. You have also short advice from the device that only the rear camera can scan QR codes in the photo mode, so remember to stay on this photo mode and put the QRs inside it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.